Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON and the Auertech. Both models are designed for small living spaces like dorms, RVs, and apartments, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to washing capacity, the BANGSON offers 11 pounds, making it suitable for smaller loads. In contrast, the Auertech boasts an impressive 18 pounds capacity, allowing you to wash larger items or more clothes at once. This significant difference can be a game changer for users with bigger laundry needs. The BANGSON uses a gravity-fed drainage system, which can limit its placement options. On the other hand, the Auertech features an electric drain pump, providing greater flexibility in where you can set up your machine, making it easier to drain water without being near a sink. Price is always a consideration when making a purchase. The BANGSON is priced at $139, making it the more budget-friendly option. Meanwhile, the Auertech is available for $189, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and needs, this could influence your decision. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and Auertech portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize compactness and speed, the BANGSON is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of a drain pump, the Auertech is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.